Unleash your inner chef, the ultimate guide to making a perfect omelette. Ingredients: 3 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon butter. Optional: diced vegetables, cheese, and/or meats of your choice. Directions: 1. Crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them together with a fork. 1. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 2. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add the butter. 2. Once the butter has melted and is bubbling, pour in the eggs. 3. Use a spatula to lift the edges of the omelette as it cooks, allowing the uncooked egg to flow to the bottom of the pan. 4. Once the top of the omelette is nearly set, add any vegetables, cheese, or meats of your choice to one half of the omelette. 5. Carefully fold the other half of the omelette over the filling and cook for an additional 30 seconds to melt the cheese, if using. 6. Slide the omelette onto a plate and enjoy. Tip: this recipe is perfect for a quick and easy breakfast, but you can also switch up the ingredients to make it a satisfying dinner dish. Experiment with different fillings like diced ham, sautéed mushrooms, or even avocado. Thanks for watching and follow us for more delicious recipes.